I acquired this Hot Wheels toy car from a house clearance. I had to look it up. It's Speed Racer. With number 5 on it. A really cool sort of like almost like a Spider-Man logo. This particular model should be pure white. This looks a little bit faded in the sun. It's a little bit yellowed. I've just changed the batteries on it because it makes sounds. So we press these buttons here and we get different sounds. There's only about 4 altogether. Here we go. So, hoping to sell this on eBay. So let's give it a close-up examination. Some scratch marks on the wheels. I've already mentioned the yellowing of the body. Now I think there was a driver with like a blue outfit on. It did come with some figures, a little bit legless. They were obviously designed to sort of fit in, cut to fit in by the previous owner. I think this one's from Primeval. I got some Primeval figures. Again, the alloy wheels are scuffed. Is that some black paint or something there? But actually, on the whole, you know, I think it's in pretty good condition. It has a basic on-off switch. It saves battery power. I've literally just undone it, so I'll be taking the batteries out again when it gets sent. Thought it might have been remote control, but it's not. It's just doing the sound effects. So, Speed Racer, the official car with sound effects, unboxed, slightly yellowed, some play, wear and tear, available for sale on eBay. While you're on the site, please check out my other unboxing and testing of toys and mainly model railways, and my other videos that everything's a bit random really. So thanks for watching. Please give us a like, thumbs up, subscribe, and check out the other videos, and have a good day.